Okay, MS 500i Stihl, fuel injected. Really nice saw to use. Got one reservation, is the filter. In fact, if I press on there, you'll see that that's loose. And what's happening is it's not sealing. Appears to be getting in through there. If you see inside here, it's got a whole lot of chips. It's just loaded, and it's actually, you can see where it's going inside here. Not an easy fix, unfortunately. This is not as heavily built as it should be. I'm not going to put any more weight on that. I snapped that off. This is one piece design, so yeah, paper element filter, which I think is a mistake. Apart from that, saw's really nice, but the earlier Stihls had a better, in my opinion, a better air cleaner system on them, so I'm going to have to modify that, and I'll give you some feedback.